assembly. Arrange the machine and its accessories properly. Take 2 gaskets and 2 M8 screws. Align the gasket with the hole. Just tighten it with M8 screws. Unfold the bracket. Then tighten it with the screws on the bracket. Extend the telescopic rod. Pierce the hole with an iron bolt. Tighten with a screw. Insert the machine into the bracket. Tighten it with screws. Twist off the nut at the back. Take out the water pipe. Thread the water pipe into the screws. Then connect it to the machine and tighten it. Operation. Put the water pipe into the snowflake oil. Connect the machine to the power supply. Start switch. Rotate this button again. The machine made noises, but no snowflakes came out. Rotate to the right again. The machine can work normally. Rotate to the right to increase the snowflake. Rotate the left side to adjust the small snowflakes until closed. Max means increased power. Min indicates low power, remote control operation. This rotary button must be turned off. Remote control, press the square key to start the machine. No snowflakes came out. Keep pressing the up key and it will start working. Press the down button to adjust the small snowflakes. Pressing the up button increases the snowflakes. Lock key off. Maintenance and upkeep. Prepare a little clear water. Put the oil pipe on the machine into clear water. Turn the rotary button to the maximum until the snowflake machine sprays out water. Then remove the oil pipe from the clear water. Place in the air until no moisture is sprayed out of the cloth cover. Rotate this button to the left again to turn it off. Turn off the power supply. Wipe it clean with a dry towel. Carry out storage.